breathe. Breathe in. Breathe deep. Now breathe again. Don't stop breathing. That would be a bad idea. Realize your dependence upon each breath. Breathe in and hold. Hold that breath in. Picture yourself in a picture. It's a picture of you on a beach. Keep holding that breath. And on that beach, there's a pelican. It wants your bagged lunch that's beside your beach towel. Keep holding that breath. Now, give that bird the crust from your sandwich. Realize that you don't need the whole sandwich, just the middle part with the jam. The bird is satisfied now. Sink into the sand. Feel the sun rays warm your fingertips. Now breathe out halfway. Go ahead, eat the rest of your bagged lunch. Isn't it good? Now throw the empty bag in the nearby trash bin. Oh, the bin is full. Improvise. Feel the breath in your lungs and bury that bag in the sand beside the trash bin. It's close enough. Now head back to your towel. Breathe out the last of your breath. Take one last breath in. Make it count. And come back to reality. Welcome. Open your eyes when you are ready. Next session, we will be going back so that you can pick up your trash. Filthy. Just filthy. I can't believe you just threw it in the sand. Disgusting.